Aviation is the science and practice of flight through the atmosphere. It encompasses the design, development, operation, and use of aircraft, including airplanes, helicopters, and drones. Since the Wright brothers' first powered flight in 1903, aviation has transformed global transportation, commerce, defense, and exploration. Today, it plays a crucial role in connecting people and places, facilitating trade, and advancing technology and innovation. Aviation safety and security refer to two critical but distinct aspects of the aviation industry. 1. Aviation safety. Aviation safety focuses on the prevention of accidents and incidents that could harm passengers, crew, or aircraft. Key elements include aircraft maintenance and engineering standards, pilot training and qualifications, air traffic control, ATC, coordination, weather monitoring and response safety management systems, SMS, in airlines and airports, accident investigation and reporting. 2. Aviation security. Aviation security is about protecting civil aviation from intentional harm, such as terrorism and hijacking, airport and aircraft access control, passenger and baggage screening, cargo security, cybersecurity in aviation systems, surveillance and intelligence sharing. Together, safety and security ensure that air travel remains one of the safest modes of transportation globally. 1. Airport security procedures, e.g., passenger screening, baggage checks, airport access control. 2. Aviation accident prevention, e.g., pilot training, aircraft maintenance, safety protocols. 3. Cybersecurity in aviation, protecting aviation systems from digital threats. 4. Air traffic control and safety management, preventing collisions and ensuring safe navigation.
In conclusion, aviation security remains a critical component of global air travel, ensuring the safety of passengers, crew, and infrastructure. Continuous advancements in technology, rigorous training, and international cooperation are essential to adapting to evolving threats and maintaining public confidence in air travel.